How to use when. Here are some questions that start with when to help students understand how to use it correctly. If you want to ask your wife questions starting with when, here are some sweet, fun, and meaningful ones. When did you realize you loved me? When was the first time you thought I was special? When do you feel happiest with me? When do you need my support the most? When should we plan our next vacation? When do you like me the most? When I'm serious or when I'm playful? If you want to ask your boss questions starting with when, here are some professional and strategic ones. When can I expect feedback on my recent work? When is the best time to ask for a promotion or raise? When do you think I will be ready for a leadership role? When can we discuss my career growth in this company? When do you think our team will achieve the next big milestone? When should I start preparing for the next project?